Hey, I'm Crafty. A new horror game is in the process of being made in chapters, and as I've had a few requests, I thought I'd make a pattern for the character Huggy Wuggy. Here's a list of everything you'll need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt, and it's the second link in the description. All of my patterns are scaled to an A4 piece of paper. The first thing you need to do is place both head pieces together and sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. This will be the neck hole. Once done, sew up the dart on each side of the body pieces. Place both body pieces together and join them along the top straight edges between the arm and neck holes. Then, attach the head to the body by aligning the neck holes. After that, sew along each side of the body, leaving the bottom edge open for the legs. For the arms, fold them in half and sew up the long edge in the middle. Repeat for the second arm. Leaving the top and bottom shortest edge open, sew along the longest side. Do the same for the second arm. Place two hand pieces together and join them, leaving the straight edge open. Repeat for the second two hand pieces. Join each hand to the aligning arm so the thumb is closest to the body and it can be opened in the middle. When finished, sew each arm to the aligning armholes. For the legs, simply fold them in half and sew them only along the longest edge. Repeat for the second leg piece. And for each foot, place two feet pieces together and join them, leaving the straight edge open. Repeat for the second foot. Sew each foot to each leg so the big toe is the one pointing inwards, and make sure the leg seam is on the inner side when flipped. Do the same for the next foot. When both legs are finished, sew each leg to the bottom body, starting at the far corner for each sewing line. When doing this, make sure the seam is in the centre. Use the gap left over by the dart to flip the plush upright. When flipped, stuff it. Use an invisible stitch to close off the open edge. For the lips, place both pieces together, tracing facing up, and begin joining them. Leave enough gap to flip, turn it upright, and stuff it lightly. Use an invisible stitch to close off the open end. Take matching red thread and in the centre of the mouth, sew a line to give the impression of lips. Pin the mouth to the head and use an invisible stitch to join it. For each eye, using matching black thread, sew the pupils onto the centre of the eye whites. Pin each eye above the mouth and use a back stitch to sew them on. On each hand, use some yellow thread to sculpt out 4 fingers by sewing in lines to create dents in the fabric. Do the same for the feet. And lastly, take either a ribbon or some cut up blue fabric and tie a bow around the neck to complete the plush. And that is how you make a Huggy Wuggy plushie. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!